Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our diesel particulate filter guards on a 2022 Ford Super Duty. This product is to be used as a deterrent against theft and costly repairs. This guard also works on 2017 to 2022 diesel Super Duties. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To start, detach the cable clip from the inner frame on the passenger side using a trim tool. Once you've removed the push pin, use the supplied thread cutting screw to pre-tap the existing hole where the cable clip was removed. Now we will insert the supplied mount strip into the transmission mount access hole. Once the mount plate passes through the access hole, start to level it off and continue to slide it in until the two mount holes align with the two factory holes in the crossmember. Next, take your front guard and loosely secure it to the cable clip hole from earlier using a flat washer, a lock washer, and a self-threading screw. With the back of the guard secure, loosely secure the front end of the guard to the mount plate holes using two sets of flat washers, lock washers, and button head screws. Lastly, check the alignment on all three mount holes, then tighten all fasteners. Once you've tightened the fasteners, go and secure the factory sensor cable / clip assembly on top of the front guard pinhole. With the front guard installed, we'll move on to installing the rear guard. To start, apply some nutcracker or penetrating oil to the two factory serrated flange nuts on the exhaust pipe flange mount. Then remove these nuts and hold on to them for later reinstallation. Now attach the mount brackets included with your kit to these two locations using the flange nuts you just removed. Make sure the mounting bracket is pushed up against the factory flange mount as you tighten. Lastly, position the four holes on the bottom of your rear guard over top of the brackets we just installed. Then secure it in place using four sets of flat washers, lock washers, and button head screws. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your DPF guards. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.